Hi everyone, my name is Serena and I'm a manager of TICAB company. Today I would like to tell you about our bitumen spraying machine BS-200. It is easy to move by one person. It's equipped with a wheel-based frame. The gas burner launches bitumen spraying process. The productivity of a bitumen emulsion sprayer is 4 liters per minute. A tank capacity is 200 liters. A bitumen sprayer's BS-200 is a favorite among our machines because this machine is quite small, but you can work on big areas with it. This machine, bitumen emulsion sprayer BS-200, is easy to combine with our mini asphalt plant RA 800 because at the end you receive a final mix asphalt. And the length of the hose is 4 meters. Dear friends, thank you for your attention. I was really excited to meet you today and to tell you about our bitumen spraying machine BS-200. And I hope that maybe some of us even decide to start a new business. Thank you, bye-bye.